In this video, you will learn how to enter your scores for the K-2 report card. First, you will need to log into Educator Access. You can do this by visiting our district portal page at portal.altonschools.org. Once on the portal page, please click on Skyward Student. Clicking on Skyward Student brings you to our district login page for Skyward Student. Please enter your login ID and password. If you are unsure, please contact Tammy Porter at extension 50314. Once you log into Skyward, you will come to your Educator Access Plus Home. From this home page, click on Teacher Access and then My Gradebook. This opens all the classes that you will be responsible for entering scores for. Please choose one class at a time by clicking on Standards Gradebook. This opens up your gradebook. As you can see, there are a few X's showing concern for some of the skills. The skills, if you hover over the words at the top of each column, you can see the skills for that subject for that quarter. You can enter your X's for concern two different ways. You can do it skill by skill by clicking on a box in a column. I'm in the Math Solves Word Problem skill. Place your X's for the students that you have concerns with for that skill and click Save. It brings you back to your gradebook screen. The second way that you can enter your X's for concerns is by clicking on Quick Scoring. Quick Scoring allows you to enter concerns for all the skills for that quarter at one time. Please be sure to periodically save as you are entering them. You don't want to lose any of your data. To quick score, click on a box per a student, enter your X for showing concern, and click Save. From the quick scoring screen, you can also give your students their final math grade for that quarter. The scores for math are a 1, 2, or 3, exactly the same as the old report card last year. Clicking on a box in the math column allows you to type in your 1, 2, or 3 for that student. Be sure to save after you finish entering your information. Clicking Save and Back will take you to the window you were on before. At the end of the quarter, you will need to post your grades. Directions will be given to you on this, but when posting grades, you click on Post Grades for that subject. Make sure you're using the correct term. We will be in Term 1. The dates are here. Click Post Grades. In the quarter 1 column will be all the grades that you have given your students so far for math. We're in the math class right now, and I know that because I can look at the top and I see Mathematics Grade 1. If I were posting my grades and I've already entered my concerns and my 1, 2s, or 3s, they would all show up right here in this column. I just simply make sure that everything is correct and I click Save. Again, the directions for post grades will come to you next week when you have to do it. You cannot post grades until the posting window is open, and that won't be until the end of the quarter. So after I have done one subject at a time, I can go to Classes right here, and I can go on to my next class. Now I'm in Reading, and here are the skills that I need to assess for my students for quarter 1 in reading. Again, the two ways that I can enter my scores, I can click on a box and do it one skill at a time, or I can go to Quick Scoring and I can enter my concerns or my X's for every skill at the same time. Be sure to save. If you have any questions, please email Amy Lombardi or Cindy Inman.